Presenting Ask, a semantic question answering system that allows business users to ask any question about the available enterprise data. It takes in a natural language question, processes and interprets it, and then generates an appropriate answer. For this demo, we are using data corresponding to sales, primary sales data, target, achievement data, and sales hierarchy. Let's get started. Let's ask a question to understand the sales data for a retailer's target. As we type, Ask intelligently suggests keywords from the data. Sales for the retail chain target are interpreted. Even though the user has not provided the date range for which they need the data, Ask intelligently interprets the date range. Ask understands the context of the question asked by the user. Simply adding verses here, the user is comparing sales versus the target. Target is no longer interpreted as a retailer based on the context of the question. Ask can also interpret complex business conditions. Ask gracefully handles ambiguous questions by intelligently interpreting the most relevant information when the user does not provide all the details. Ask allows the user to interact and change the interpretation. This also reinforces Ask to interpret based on the explicit user input from the next time. All of the earlier questions seem to be perfect questions to ask. But in the real world, this may not be the case. Users may not provide all the details, and questions can be vague in most cases. Ask intelligently understands the context of the question and, along with domain-specific context, handles ambiguous questions gracefully. It provides a personalized interpretation of the question for the user and helps them reach the right insights faster by asking the question through text or voice.